It's well known that the human body is made up of many parts. All of these parts, or complex systems, must function together to sustain life. Our world is a lot like this.
Order up. Here you are.
But unlike the structures that exist in the body, we aren't assigned a function. We have to discover who we are.
Honey, the best way to know your future is to create. I think it's time you start creating it.
There were about 10 students in that room I would hire on the spot.
I totally agree.
And then he told me it was the best welding project he had ever seen.
Way to go.
Oklahoma has the #1 CareerTech system in the nation. Who wants to be part of that?
I do.
I do.
Awesome.
CareerTech is the heart of Oklahoma. It's the vital organ that supplies trained and skilled workers to communities across the state. It's trusted by thousands of companies. And for more than 100 years, individuals have counted on CareerTech to help them pursue their passions. And when you pay attention, you realize how this essential system gives oxygen to everything around it.
Drop the goal.
USA champions!
You killed that speech, Sadie.
4 weeks of prepping and I can finally sleep now.
I believe in the future. I believe in the past. I believe
He's here. Oh, thank goodness.
Thanks for coming.
Oh, yes, that's not a problem at all. Problem's down here. Let's take a look.
people say. Each way, someday we'll get alright. Days we'll make it right. Each way, no matter what people say. Each way, we're gonna get right.
You did it. Yay. Okay, pop the tourniquet. That surgeon's technician started at Tech. That could be you someday.
That will be me someday.
Either way, we're gonna get better.
Hey, Mom.
Hey, honey.
Look what I got. Oh, Charlie, honey, I am so proud of you.
Thank you.
I know just where to put it.
Ma, you've done too much.
Charlie, I am so proud of you. Congratulations on the new job promotion.
Oh gosh, thank you so much. But let's not forget about that 15th food truck of yours.
So yeah, as I said, the world is a lot like the human body, and we all have a part to play.